Okay, now that we have most of our features, we have our home feed, we have inbox, we have followers, we can follow, unfollow. We have chat, we have profile. We have a few things missing though. Friends. Why did we wait so long to do friends? Well, because we've done almost all of the work already. So friends is just basically the same thing as index, but instead of getting all the videos, we just want the videos of our friends. And luckily, we did that part already too. So we're just going to copy and paste this code over to friends. We're going to rename this friends, search, window, blah, 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 get signed URLs. Instead of all, we want a dot in user ID is in friends. And luckily, we already have access to friends from useauth. Context, no. Providers. Okay, and now this home feed shows everything. But if we go to friends, dun dun dun, it only shows our friends. So this video, it was a bad example because it's so hard to see. But we can see our friend Tim liked it or posted it and everything else, even though this is ourselves. We don't have our friends. Technically, if we added ourselves and then reloaded, we would have the same exact feed in both sections because we just friended ourselves. Or we could do this and have no friends. So what would it show if we had no friends? It would show nothing. So what we could do actually is we could do list empty components PG black, nope, black, and then text center. Let's import text, and then we could put sorry man, no friends. Do ion. We could do sad face. Import from icons and reload. Ooh. Oh, PG black. We don't want safe area view, but no friends, man. Sorry. Why is it not flex centering? No videos. Sorry, no friends yet. Text. Just in case you weren't sure. There you go. And then if we add a friend, we have to add the ability to actually, so if the followers are following, no, actually if friends changes following, we could also do get videos. There you go. And there we go. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is, right now we don't have the ability to actually see any profile photo, and this video is so hard to see. But we want to be able to upload a photo for a profile photo. And then we're going to create a public bucket. And yeah, so how we're going to do that is kind of copy and paste some functionality that we've already created elsewhere. So if we go to camera, we're going to use the same pick image. Go to the profile section. Pick image. And we're gonna do profile picture. Import React. Set profile picture. We got to import the image picker. And remember, this actually component can be used whether you're on your profile or someone else's profile. So we don't want to give someone else the ability to upload a new image for your profile. So like if auth user, if auth user doesn't equal the user.id, then we want to just skedaddle and not let them be able to click this image or click this component. I want to update this. So right now, click this image, blah, blah, blah. Nothing happens because we got to reference this profile photo. So if the profile photo is there, then use that. Otherwise, okay, nice. So that's cool and all, but it actually doesn't update. Let's say if we were to reload, we still got to save the image to a bucket. So we're going to recreate that bucket called avatars. Make it a public bucket. Restrict file upload size. Yes, you could, but users can read objects without any authorization is still required for other policies. Okay, so it's a public bucket, but we still have to add a policy to that bucket. And we'd be able to, for testing purposes, bucket ID equals avatars. Let's see if this works. So this is basically just giving full access to the avatars bucket, which is fine for now, but definitely not long term. So let's see if this will work. So we need to copy over some of the upload functionality as well. So instead of saving a video, we want to be able to save an image. Save image. And in that image, maybe do and then URI string URI. It's a file, video, and we want this to be the file name. We don't want the whole URI. Oops. And we want to change this to image, and extension. So let's just create another extension. And then avatars in a user ID bucket, a file name, farm, upsert true. So we're going to be able to give people the ability to just overwrite their old profile photo with a new one. So that's where upsert true comes into play, because every file is going to be named avatar. So we got to change this. So avatar.extension. So we got the file name. The file name we want it to be avatars. Avatar.extension. And then we don't need any of this stuff. So let's see if this works. So we're going to save the profile photo so that we could reference it even before it's been uploaded. And then eventually want to replace this one with the data we get back from the user. And then if we go to avatars, hey, there we go. So there's our avatar. Sweet. So let's make sure we can't change someone else's avatar. So if we click this, okay, perfect. So now we're able to upload the avatar, but we want to be able to reference this avatar in a lot of places, not just here, but also like if we want to do, if we want to show a comment, if we want to show a chat, and we could actually construct the public bucket URL. So like this is our project. And this only works because the bucket is public, and we know that all of the files in there are going to be called the same thing. So this is the user ID, and then this is always going to be the avatar. So what we can do is do /avatars/user ID/avatar JPEG, and let's remove this for now. There we go. And then this key is actually the same key for your Supabase project. So that's going to be unique to you. And then if we actually do profile photo, so we want to be able to like show this, but if it's upload a new one, we'll show that new image instead. Okay, perfect. And we can create this as a environment variable. So we can just do process.end, no. Do expo public URL, do /avatars. There we go. Okay, so there's our image, and we could reuse this link in a lot of places. So if we go to inbox, so where we have this photo, instead we could do item.id, although this user doesn't have anything either. So let's just upload something real quick. So let's reload. Hey, there we go. Say hi to Tim. And then let's replace those as well. So in chat, oh, messages. See, look, already nice. We only have to replace this once. So item.user.id in the public bucket. And then we go here. Nice. How about comments? If I could actually see the comments button. Nice. Okay, then we want to replace this little avatar, not the avatar thing, but the icon on video. Person. Let's import image. And so it's video.user.id. Look at that. Let's make this a little bit bigger. So now I can actually see who uploaded this video. And we could go to the profile. We could see our friends. We only got one friend. How lonely. And yeah. Oh wait, sorry. One more section. Let's go to followers. Wait, is this right? User ID. Oh yeah. Okay, and then activity as well. So this is why we made it a public, because we don't want to be like calling this every single every single place with a get public URL. Because on one load, it would probably get called 500 times. So activity. Here we go. So there's our images. There's our followers. Say hi to Tim. Inbox. And there we go. So we have all of our, one more thing, sorry. I'm getting ahead of myself. We want to be able to show the profile photo here. So, or not the profile photo, the videos that this person actually liked. So one more flat list to add. So let's go here, flat list. And we want to do columns actually. Columns equal 3. And so we want to get the videos, our own videos. So we're going to get videos, put it in profile. Get videos on user change. Well, and we still need to get signed. So this should probably be a hook on its own as well. But we're at the home stretch. Profile. Get signed URLs. Set videos. Set videos. So we want to get all the videos where it equals our user ID. And then we can just limit to limit. 10's a lot. Let's do 3. And then let's get the video object. Actually, we don't need the whole player, so we just need, we literally just need this part. And then import it from actually AV. And that's because, you're going to see in a second, we don't want to actually show full width here, just like we're doing everywhere else. So we don't want the video player because that's what the video player does. Okay. Columns 3. Oh, num columns. And then I'm going to do the item, video reference. We need a new video reference. And then the width, we're going to do actually like 3. Let's just do 250 or something. And item dot signed URL is looping. We're not actually going to play it. Flex 1. Let's see what happens here. I feel like it randomly react native nerd.com. Not now. Profile. Let's see. Oh, Just taking a little bit of load. So it's interesting, it's making it scrollable left and right. So that probably means why is it scrollable all over the place? This is scrollable false. Okay, there we go. $250, $225. Okay, it could definitely have some cleanup there, but let's see if it shows. And also, we don't really want to show margin on the whole thing either. Don't want to have such a full. Okay, there we go. That's much better. There we go. So it works for our profile. Let's check out someone else's profile to see if it shows up. Ah, there we go. Okay. So we can unfollow, we could follow, we can post a new video, not in the emulator because it's not going to work. We could scroll through. I'm going to put the volume up a little bit because so we can see that it's stopping the audio. And then here, there's just one more thing we could do. We also don't want to play it if it's on other tabs. So what we can do is on index. Okay, I'm gonna mute this real quick. So we have this idea of focus. Const is focus. And it's from router, expo router. So actually from React navigation. It just imported it wrong. Here we go. And then we can do console log is focused. So this is the index page. And then as soon as you go away, you can see it goes to false and it goes back to true. So we could also do check if it's active index equals and is focused. So let's try that, and let's also use it on, actually, you know what? There we go. Okay. Nice. I gotta add the same thing to our friends page. This is fun. This is such a clean way of stopping this audio. Believe me, I've done this 20 different ways. Okay, we're not friends with anyone, so let's add our friend. And we need to... So there's definitely optimizations we could do here, because right now, one, I can't see anything here. Look how nice that is. And then we see activity, see new followers, let's comment, new comment. Activity, new comment, okay. And then we can check our photo. There we go. It does take a little bit for the CDN to load, so it's not going to upload right away. But there we go. There's our app. We built TikTok in, I don't know. Oh, wait. Nope. I just noticed one more thing. 1,000 likes. One more thing. So back to profile. We need to get likes. Sounds get likes. And this is on videos where the video user ID, which is our user ID, whoever this is logged in as. And we want to const likes, set likes dot length. That's not true. We definitely have some likes. Come on. At least I think so. And you can see our profile photo updated. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, we're not calling it. That would do it. There we go. We got 4 likes. We got our videos. We got the sign out. We got profile. Okay, we got it all. So, I hope this was fun. I hope you learned a lot. And if there's anything else, I'm looking for other projects to rebuild, other apps, thinking maybe Instagram or YouTube or maybe Spotify. I don't really know. Please let me know, and hope you enjoyed it. Peace.